What happens if you do?
Oh, basic felony.
Right. Have you been to prison before? Okay, you could be very well looking at a 15 to life case. You're looking at 25 to life if you pick up another one. 25 to life as a true habitual.
You just heard a judge threaten 25 years to life. But look at Jonathan Lopez. He answers like he's ordering lunch. He thinks he knows the risk, but he has no idea the specific legal trap the court is building right now. This is the state versus Lopez. On the surface, it's a standard protective order banning a son from his mother's home. But the tension suggests something darker. The judge mentions past terroristic threats, while attorney Agnes claims he just needs his belongings. Stories conflict. Timelines blur between a case with the brother and the safety of the sister. Is Lopez confused or playing games? Here's the brutal reality. One more unauthorized visit triggers true habitual status. That means 25 years to life. Subscribe to see how the justice system handles defendants who smile in the face of a life sentence. Let's enter the courtroom.
This is Jonathan Lopez. We have a plea.
My only concern is that he goes back to mom and dad's house now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to issue a protective order now over the complaining witness now, which is I don't want you going back to mom and dad's house. You are not allowed to go back. You've repeatedly gone back. I'm issuing a new protective order now. You need to understand that you're pleading on this violation protective order. I'm issuing a new one now. If you go back to the house, it's very well possible they charge you with a felony offense. Do you understand? I want to make sure that that family is protected and you don't have any contact with them. So I will accept this plea bargaining agreement today, but I'm now issuing a new protective order today as well that bars you from going back to this house and having any contact with
Really, the protective order is for his sister, but then the
I thought it was
address
dad.
is the mother's address, so they're kind of conjointly protected in the same order.
Wasn't it? I thought it was dad. It wasn't dad.
It was. The terroristic threat, I think that case involved with the brother and the mother. Says BPO was at the mother's address.
Can you file another protective order today, please?
Yes, Your Honor.
In Mr. Lopez's case?
Yes, Your Honor.
So we put the complaining witness in this case as a protected individual and that he cannot go back to the house as well. No listed actions. Mr.
All
Lopez,
of his belongings have been removed from the mother's house, so he understands there is absolutely no reason for him to go back. They're currently at his uncle's house. I will make contact with uncle today to make sure that uncle picks him up upon release.
understand what's happening. What did we just say? Where can you not go?
Back to my mother's house,
Who else?
my sister's house.
Right. What happens if you do?
Oh, basic felony.
Right. Have you been to prison before? Okay, you could be very well looking at a 15 to life case. How many times you been? Once or twice?
Wife.
So you could be a true habitual. You're looking at 25 to life if you pick up another one. 25 to life as a true habitual. If you go back. Do you understand? Don't go back. You're charged with violation of protective order. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. The agreement that you have worked out is 210 days in jail with credit for the 57 days that you have done. You're giving up a lot of rights by entering into this agreement. You give up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen or possible immigration consequence, you can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. Once you plead guilty to this, it will go on your record. It will be there forever. You understand? Is this what you want to do?
I do.
How do you plead to the offense of violation of protective order? Guilty or not guilty? Guilty. I'm going to find you guilty. I'm going to sentence you to it. I'm going to roll your report costs so you won't owe anything. Deputy, as you're going, please do not send him down because we need him to sign the protective order. Okay, all right? Look, all right, you know what's expected. Just don't, I mean, it's really gonna be bad if you go down. Do you understand? That means no contact with him, Mr. Lopez. All right, sir?
Judge, I do have a question about the protective order. So I know they had amended one by hand, and that address has the mother's address, and then by name, it has his sister's name. Will we keep the address and name the same in the new protective order?
I think so.
Okay. Okay. All right. Thank you, Judge.
The gavel dropped. Jonathan Lopez took the plea deal, 210 days in jail. But here's the real debate. Was this ruling a necessary shield for a terrified mother, or a legal trap for a man with nowhere else to go? The judge set the board so one single mistake equals a life sentence. Comment below, team safety or team second chance. Is this justice or just a ticking time bomb? If this case got you thinking, hit like. Share this with anyone obsessed with real courtroom drama.